So for the hands, it's actually going to be kind of interesting what we do here on these guys. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and just take a look at some of the sizes we have. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and say 10, 23, and 28. And I'll do that over here as well. So 10, 23, and 28. And I'm now going to create a new box. That is, you guessed it, 10, 23, and 28. Okay, so essentially, I'm going to go ahead and show you essentially what we're going to have. This is our hand bone, L, obviously. And this is going to be the object that's going to control the hand. So this is not going to actually be the hand. This is going to be like a hand controller. And I'm just going to come down to lattice. And I'm going to say just give me struts. And let's just let's say green. You know what? Orange. Okay, so everything still works. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste. I don't know why that thing rings when I select off of something. So what we're going to basically do here, let's imagine, if we will, that so we know that this is basically an exact replica of what's up here. The major difference is the pivot points. So if I were to align this guy right now, X, Y, and Z, right? So everything's lining up. What's pivot points? Sure don't look like he's lining up pivot point, since the pivot point of this guy is here, because it's, and pivot point is there. So I'm going to align it to this guy. And rotate that 90 degrees, and we see that it pops into place. So I'm going to leave it back where it was, and we know that what's wrong with this guy is the object itself, right? So if I rotate this 90, take a look at the pivot's all messed up. So I'm going to alt align. So now I know that that guy is dead on the money. So now let's just go ahead and I'm moving this to the ground because we're going to create the fingers and everything, and it's just going to be a lot easier on us. Take a look at this dude in the front view. There we go. And in the left view, he's not quite straight. A little bit off. And a little bit off is not too bad. Alright, so we know that that is our hand shape. Our fingers are gonna, you can either choose cylinders. So let's say I turn on auto grid and create ourselves a cylinder and say, okay, well, there's 1, 2, and 3.